Hello, in this little session we're going to take a look on how to build a designer page and add a additional section which is a little bit hidden, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So if I assemble a designer visualization, so I'm going to looking to combine multiple elements on one single designer page. So I'm going to start with let's start with a grid, a 2-2 grid. So very simple, I got those information. By the way, in case you need some more space on the screen, you can always click in here and hide things like resources and the styling tab. So if I now want to add another section to the page, I can simply do that. I just need to find the right place to do it. So you just need to get a little bit of extra space from here. Click somewhere in the background here, and you can now add a section above and a section below. So now we have multiple sections on that page. So of course I can now move that thing back over here, and I got an extra section in here. And if I turn back my resources in here, I can now add content or containers to that section as well. So let's add an accordion control in here and add a panel group in here. So we got that one, or actually I don't like a panel group too much, so let's delete that container. Let's go for a tab control in here. Why do I do sections? So going back to outline, I have now section 1 and section 2. The names are just internally, so I can of course change it. So that's going to be bottom, and that's going to be top. Again, it's just needed for yourself, so you remember what it is, but you're going to see it if you click it. Why do you want to do it? Quite simple. If you go to settings and format, you can turn on collapsible for those elements. So I did it for the top. I'm doing the same thing for the bottom. I'm not going to add any content for now, so I'm just going to run it. And now those elements are collapsible, so I can move them around. So a nice neat feature to better use the space on a page and get things moving with your selection here. That's it on the containers. So again, going quickly back, simple trick. Get yourself some space somewhere at the border of the page, or try to find exactly that bluish border here. There you can delete, format, and insert elements. So if I go to settings, I see the settings here as well. If I go on format, I'm going to get the format tab from here. Or if I delete the section, it's going to delete the full section from the screen. So easy and straightforward. You just need to know where to click.